Hey Flower Tribe, it's Kelly Lehman from Cranberry Fields Flower Farm, and today I wanted to show you how these beautiful LED solar pathway lights from Gigalumi work. They just sent me these and we're going to try them out. So let's unbox them first. So it looks like there's quite a few of them in here. These are the posts that it comes with. And it looks like there's 2, 4, 6, 8 of them. And so obviously they are powered by solar. So there's like little solar panels on the top here. Kind of zoom that in there. And basically they just get hooked up to their little posts. And Sheldon and I were looking at these before, and we realized that the instructions told us that there were 3 different pieces. But we didn't realize that this little pointy thing that goes in the ground is actually on the other side of this. So it actually tells you, pull out of the spike. And so basically that little spike is actually on the other side of this. Very clever packaging. So then that's what you do. You kind of put this little solar light on top of the post. You've got your little stake, and then you put it right in the ground. So super easy to assemble. We're going to do the same thing with this one. Pull it out. Get that stake all set to go. Oh, here comes Lucy to help us. And another one here. Another one here.
Everybody doesn't need to see.
Okay, so now we're going to bring them out to the garden. Sheldon's going to set them up with me, and we're going to try them out. I guess we're going to give them a couple hours to charge up, and I'll let you see what these guys look like later on tonight when things get dark. So Sheldon's out here helping me put them in. Actually, he's putting them in. He's doing more than helping me. He's doing the job. We eat dinner out here a lot, so we have a beautiful table that he made, and he's just putting them all around this garden bed. Oh, that is easy. You know, it was nice, too, because it just rained here, so like the ground is nice and soft. I think it's going to be awesome. Wow. And you know, we used to have these little tiki torches back here, but I have to say, I think that these are a lot safer. And of course, the Queen supervising the shoot, our director, our fearless leader. Well, thank you for the help, husband. There's an on-off switch underneath here, so you basically just very easily remove the top. There's an on-off switch, so if you don't want to have it running at night, you can leave it on off. But if you want your garden lit up beautifully, you just turn the on switch on, and that will trigger your light to go on. Super easy, and then it goes right back in the garden. Now the sun's just going to power the top solar panel, and that's going to give your light energy. I wanted to show you a quick size comparison between these new solar lights to the ones that we used to have in the garden. So the ones we used to have in the garden were a lot bigger, a little more clunkier, and I have to say a lot of times they didn't work because they actually run on electricity. So there's wiring that goes through, and a lot of times the wiring stopped working, or something got, you know, like split in half when we were planting something, and then we couldn't use them until we fixed all the wiring again. You could tell the one in the back is no longer working because the electricity wasn't working. So what's nice about these new mini solar lights is that they're basically just, you kind of lift them up and you put them wherever you want them. You don't have to worry about rewiring them, and then they work. So they're super easy to put in all different areas of your garden because of the more petite size, and you don't have to worry about the headache of all the wires, you know, when the wires stop working. So this is just completely self-sufficient, and it's just an easier way to move light around your garden. So guys, I'm going to put a link in descriptions below in case you're interested in checking out this product on Amazon, and I will see you in the next video.